Hi everyone, Joe here. Just a quick video to say thank you for everyone entering the ThruNite Archer 2 AA giveaway. So that person who won is getting the ThruNite Torch, which is brand new. I'm also throwing in my Tinder kit, so it's a cool pouch. So it attaches to your belt or your bag and stuff. It also comes with a wax rope, ferro rod with striker, and a bellow. So you're getting both these items here, and all for a $5 entry. So the winner, and we only had one person enter this time, which makes my job easy. It's Alan M. So congratulations to Alan M. I'll be getting in touch with you to post out the fire kit and the torch soon. And thank you for supporting the channel with through Buy Me a Coffee. If you didn't enter this time, no worries. This was just a test run. More giveaways are coming, and they'll keep getting better. So if you want to support the next one, head over to Buy Me a Coffee. It's only a £5 entry. And thanks again for everybody being part of the Prepper in the Woods crew. See you in the next video, guys. Thank you. Bye.